Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open the YouTube audio library on your mobile phone. The YouTube audio library offers free music and sound effects for your videos. Please follow the instructions carefully as I will guide you step by step. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like your profile picture or account icon. Tap on this icon. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Setting icon, a menu will appear. Scroll down in this menu until you see the Help option. Tap on it. In the Help, you will see a search help bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this search bar and type in the words Audio Library. As you type, you will see suggestions appear below the search bar. Look for the suggestion that says Use music and sound effects from the audio library and tap on it. Once you tap on this option, a new interface will open with detailed instructions about accessing the audio library. In these instructions, you will see a sentence that mentions, "You can also access the audio library directly at," followed by a link. Tap on this link. The link will redirect you to the YouTube audio library. Wait for the page to load completely. Once it is loaded, you will be able to browse and use the music and sound effects available in the library. This is how you can access the YouTube audio library on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching.